Hello, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
Thanks for joining. Hi. We'll wait just a few minutes to see more people coming. Today will be almost 100 to join. So we'll wait just 2 or 3 minutes. Hi for the latest people that they join. And don't hesitate to use the chat if you have any question during this webinar. We'll be happy to help. Yeah, so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes for more people and then we'll start.
Yeah, and don't hesitate to confirm. Bonjour Didier. It's in English. Hi. Don't hesitate to say if you hear us well, just to confirm that you.
For those who want to get the webinar in French, we did it 2 days ago. So if you need the replay, we'll be happy to share. Hi, Christopher. Hi, Henri.
Perfect.
Thank you, Baptiste. Hi, Baptiste. Don't hesitate to put in the chat where we are from and where you are from, and yeah, it's cool to know. Hi, Maxime from Berlin. I shared to you the replay in French we did 2 days ago. I will wait to just one more minute. Hola, Andre from Malaga. Hi, Wouter. Hi, Arthur. We just put a new poll in the chat just to let us know who knows already Humanlinker, who don't. Please, can you just answer? I will just put it on the chat. So you can go directly on it and vote to help us to better understand who is joining us today. Hi, Mariam. Hi, Dimitri. Hi, Didier. So a few seconds more and we'll start. For now, we have only people that already know Humanlinker. 6 people have voted already, and 7. Okay, everyone knows already Humanlinker.
And Romain, someone is saying that the French replay, Maxime is saying that it's get a page telling me it's over.
Okay. Just check if I send you the right one.
The replay will be put into our YouTube channel for sure. Not for now,
Also,
but
yes.
in a couple of weeks.
If you want to see the survey, Boaz, you have to go on polls, just close to question and chat, and then you can see the survey. Maxime, I send you again the link. Let me know if it works or not. And we'll start now. Thank you guys for joining. We are very happy to to have you today. The idea of this webinar is to, of course, most of you already knows Humanlinker, so we not focus on what is Humanlinker and what we want to do, but just a bit for a quick intro, and then we go directly to the new feature that we developed during this summer. I will just introduce myself, and then I will let Arthur do the same, and then we'll go directly to the main focus of the day. So I am Romain. I am the head of sales of Humanlinker. I joined the team almost 3 years ago. I'm very happy to join the team since 3 years, and I used to work in the tech environment since 12 years now, in startup, but also in big corporation. And now we try to develop the new AI copilot for salespeople. So we hope it will be your main tools for prospecting in the coming days and coming months. Arthur, please go on. Please, can you just introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Romain. I'm Arthur, and I'm the head of product at Humanlinker. I've been there since 3 years now, and I'm really happy working on this great engagement platform to build the best AI copilot for you guys. So yeah, I've already talked with some of you, and I'd be pleased to continue if you have any question later with the webinar and with the chat box that you have on our application.
Great. So let's start. That was for the introduction. Then the summary of the webinar. First, we'll talk about the observation, what's happened today in the market concerning prospecting and where we want to help you to be more efficient. Then quick intro of Humanlinker, where we are from and the vision we want to develop. And then main focus on the new features. So that will be the time that I guess you will have the more question to share, so do not hesitate. You can raise your hand or you can go directly to the chat or question to ask, and we try to answer it ASAP. And finally, the question and answer, that if there is some more question, we'll be happy to answer. So the context. There is two main information on this slide concerning first the performances, so concerning the reply rate on your campaigns, and also the time spent on the non-selling task for the salespeople. That's the two main data, main information on this slide. So today, concerning people that are doing prospecting, that are doing sequences. Could be manual or automatic sequences. The average reply rate is almost 2%. It's all the kind of reply rate. It means for positive reply rate, which is getting a meeting, it's much more between 0.3 and 0.5%. So you see, if you want to get a meeting, you have to engage a lot of people. There is two ways to answer this pain. You can put more people in your current tool, you can wait for more and more people, or you can do personalization. And that's what we want to do with you, is to help you personalize your outreach by getting the right data to the right people at the right time. The second thing is almost 70% of the time spent by the salespeople are on non-selling tasks. They are searching for new prospects. They are enriching the prospect with the professional email, professional phone numbers. They are trying to get data concerning the prospect. They are enriching the CRM also, which is a huge part, I guess, for all the managers who are in the webinar today. I guess we have also the same pain in Humanlinker, but I had the same pain before in my previous jobs, is to get the best CRM as possible with the best data. And thanks to Humanlinker and thanks to the new features we show you today, you will be able to do it automatically and saving a lot of time. We know that you are not sales AI experts. That's normal. AI copywriting is quite new. I guess if you are here, you already have a lot of knowledge concerning AI, but you cannot be at this time expert on it, and you cannot take all the time you need to be expert on it. So that's why we want to help you to help you to have the best copywriting as possible with the best data in a few times. That's the main focus today. So the idea, the mission of Humanlinker is to make the power of AI and AI generative accessible to everyone. The idea is to boost your prospecting performances. And we developed, for those that don't know already Humanlinker, we developed an all-in-one platform that allows you, it's much more, for now it's an all-in-one platform, but what we want to do is to get an AI copilot from the first step to know new leads until the time you get the meeting, and much more after. You'll be able also to prepare your meetings thanks to Humanlinker. And then we'll like to develop, and we'll give you some data information concerning that. We like to develop much more concerning not only prospecting, but could be upsell, cross-sell, much more for account management. So we want to be the AI copilot for all the sales cycle, from the beginning to the end of the funnel. So we developed during 4 years the solution. We acquired another solution named MyProfilia to get the disc personalities for anyone on LinkedIn, that help us to personalize, thanks to the data we found on the profile, the LinkedIn profile, personalize any outreach, any LinkedIn messages or any email. We want to personalize and make it unique for all the people that will receive your prospecting. And we work in more than 50 languages, so that allows us to be present and to be located in more than 160 countries, with users in more than 160 countries. And we, of course, have our platform, but also an extension on LinkedIn that helps you to get more people and more data. That's what I said concerning all-in-one. We give you access to the possibility to get new leads. If you are connected to your CRM, it will deduplicate the data on your CRM to give you access to new leads. We'll give you the possibility also to enrich with phone numbers, with emails directly on these leads, to be able to engage those people. We'll give you an engagement tools to do your outreach, your sequences, and then we'll help you with engagement tips to prepare your meetings. That's how we see for now the all-in-one approach, but of course we developed it much more in the coming days, weeks, and months. So now let's go deeper into the new features. Just before I just check if there is any more question. Did you, Arthur, answer all the question?
Yeah, it's all right, Romain. Perfect.
Do you have any question concerning the solution, the vision, and our mission? Or is it clear?
Seems to be clear, really clear.
Seems to be clear. Everyone wants to wait for the new features. Thank you, Didier. Thank you, Arthur. Thank you, Maxime. So, new features, I will let the boss, Arthur, our head of product, to share with you the new features that are already live on the platform. So, Arthur, you can go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Romain. Let's jump on it. So yeah, first about the campaign, we have many different new features that we're really proud to show you today, according your contact, the data, and everything. So first of all, a good outreach starts with knowing your leads, but it's really important also to know your leads account. So we have released a new account intel interface today, and you have a better view on all the data that you can gather on an account. So now we analyze better every key account that you are prospecting, and we give you a lot of more insights of them. You can see like the key data and activity, the alignment with your value proposition, many information on the market, of the challenges and pain points of those leads in this market. So it's like if Humanlinker was giving you a market study on the account, in order to have the best information on it. Everything is reused by the AI technology of Humanlinker inside your campaign when it's generating hyper personalized messages through AI. And you have access to this interface when you are on an account sheet inside Humanlinker in the app, or if you are looking on a company page in LinkedIn, or if you are also looking at a profile page and you have in the extension the account tab in order to get all those information in one click. I just saw that there was a question. Sorry, Baptiste, we can't or don't manage to pin the short screen. Can you zoom a bit? Can you zoom a bit? Okay. But the best thing to do it, yeah. This is a feature that is only available on the business plan. You already have some information on the other plans, but all this deep and smart intelligence on your accounts is on the business plan only today.
We'll share to you the presentation just after
That's
it will be easier to see all the details. Here you don't have all the data we can find concerning the company. Also on this Account Intel V2, you will be able to add custom field from your CRM directly into the page. Like that, any sales that are going into a company page, it will see all the different custom field you want to share from your CRM. You don't need to go back to CRM to see if there is any open deals, if there is any if there is contact already engaged or not, as you want. It's depending of your custom fields on the CRM. But of course, there is data concerning the company, the market, the competitors, the change and pain. Concerning the alignment with the value proposition, it's based, and we speak a bit about that later, but when you are doing AI generative messages, AI will do everything for you, but you have to we do the job to get the data concerning your prospect on their company, but you have to talk about your company, about your pain you answer to your prospect, and that's your value proposition. And based on that, we'll see if there is any alignment between your prospect and your value proposition to help you to better understand if this is a match concerning the ICPs and the persona. Today, we integrate HubSpot, Salesforce, and Dynamics. And at the end of this presentation, we will show you our API that will be live very, very soon. And it will allow you to get the data also from Humanlinker with the API.
Yep.
Not that you want for now, but with the API, you will be able to do a lot of things.
Exactly.
Yeah, I give you the mic, Arthur.
Yep. Thanks, Romain. Okay, new features. Let's go on. Always on the business plan only. So now, multi-emails connection, you can boost your sending limits by connecting 5 to 10 email accounts by user on your workspace, depending on your business plan version. And the thing that you need to know is that when you are connecting more and new email accounts to your Humanlinker account, it needs to be the same identity. As you know, the signature will be the same for those email accounts. So that's really important. And yeah, in your sending limits, you will see that the daily limit volume of email will increase by connecting more and more email accounts attached to you. I have a right star. Yeah, we'll be sharing the recording, David. You'll get to it at the end. According the call task assignment, sorry, okay. So now we enable you to have seamless collaboration. As soon as you integrate in your sequence a call step, you have now the ability to assign this specific call task to one of your workspace member, to your SDR or a colleague. And the great thing is that all those cold task assigned to one of your member will be directly and automatically available in their cold task manager. So you'll be able to have a great follow-up in order to maximize the strategy of your campaign with introducing cold calling in it.
Which is very useful as a sales director. I'm very happy to get this feature, because some companies has split the different job in the sales for the salespeople. There is SDR, BDR, account executive, etc. And now in our process, but many of our clients are doing like that. Account executive are doing the sequences, the campaigns, but they will assign the call to a BDR, to SDR, and which is very useful because they keep the leadership on the campaigns, and then on the same campaign, someone else, like a duo, can work on it and can do the calls. We know that's how it's hard to get people involved in the call step more and more in the future. So that's is very helpful to be more efficient.
Awesome. Yeah, and now we are really proud of that. Also, we have a new guided CSV import when you are injecting new contacts inside one of your campaign. So if you choose the CSV import, you can now map directly your fields inside Humanlinker, and we support any format of CSV file, and you'll be able to inject your people in one click really quick inside the campaign. So it's a smarter workflow with the CSV import. You get more information doing all those 4 steps that guide you really well with just one click each time to import your CSV, and then the magic done. All your contacts will be imported in your campaign. Yeah, we have new features on the LinkedIn extension. So now you have the possibility you keep have the possibility to do a search of people inside LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Nav. You can play with the filters. If you have Sales Nav, you can play with your list filters also. And now, as soon as you have a list of results of people, you can import in one click up to 200 results inside one of your Humanlinker campaign. So you just have to do the search, then click the button import more people, and then you can select up to 200 results that will be directly injected in your campaigns. That's really great in order to maximize the better audience that you want on each of your campaign, and then do it if you're already using the Humanlinker extension.
But Arthur, why no more than 200?
Why no more than 200? It's because we are always, this is in our policy to protect your LinkedIn account. As you know, or maybe not, but LinkedIn is reinforcing their policy. And with 200, we know that we keep safe your account in order to maximize the outreach after it. So it's just a security policy reason that we are respecting from LinkedIn.
Do you have any question yet concerning these new features, or we can move on?
I opened the chat and I don't see any question, Romain. I think it's clear. Great. In-mail sending. Yeah, so this is coming really quick. And you need to get ready because really soon, in a couple of weeks now, we'll be releasing LinkedIn email steps inside your sequence builder in Humanlinker. So you will have the ability to reach even more people using those emails. So if you have a LinkedIn Premium or Sales Nav account inside LinkedIn, then as you know, you have an available number of email credits reinitialized every month, and you will be able to use them directly and automatically inside your Humanlinker campaigns. So you will have the possibility, if the person didn't accept your LinkedIn invitation, to pass by this step and directly send an email in order to reach more and more people.
I know many people were waiting for this one. Can we say that it will be available next week, end of next week?
Yeah, that's the aim on the product part. So hopefully, yeah, it will be during next week. We are in the testing phase now, so everything looks fine. I still have some work to do, but it will be really soon available to you. And again, this is a business plan feature.
Thank you, Arthur. In the chat, Baptiste, just to answer your question, of course, you can add a note on any LinkedIn connection. Could be from a template one, or could be from AI, but always you will be able to add a note or not.
Yep. Top, perfect. And just wait, Romain. Yeah, the blacklist feature. So now to avoid duplicates and to avoid engagement errors, you have the ability to blacklist a specific domain or specific email addresses or even LinkedIn profiles that you have according to your market, industry, competitor, clients, etc. Just to avoid engaging with people you don't want to, and this will automatically exclude them from your campaign. So you can enter as many as you want. There is no limitation on it, and this will help you to make a better quality of engagement with the blacklist feature. It's in the settings. So in your settings, you have a new tab now, like Romain is showing you, blacklist, and then here you can add as many as you want. Okay, that was for the blacklist feature. Yeah, we have advanced filters now in your campaign. So in the campaign builder, in the enrich section, just after adding your contacts in it, you have a new filter that allows you to requalify better the audience. Like for example, if you are doing an email campaign, to have a better visibility on the outreach, you want to exclude all the people for who we didn't enrich the email address. So you can isolate those people. Then you can select them and move them in one click to another campaign, maybe a LinkedIn campaign, because you know that you don't have the email address and we didn't enrich it. And this way you keep optimizing your outreach. Is it possible?
There is a question from Didier concerning if we can inform if there is anyone putting us in spams. Unfortunately not. We cannot inform you if someone put you in spams, but we do all the job before you are going to spam by protecting your email account and your LinkedIn account with a warm-up feature that will protect, of course, your account, but also limit the number of emails and number of LinkedIn messages you send every day to help you to don't go directly in spams. If there is someone unsubscribed from your campaigns, you will be informed of it. So you'll be able to put the information in the CRM. And if there is someone that's unsubscribed on your campaigns, you will not be able to re-engage it on Humanlinker. And last things concerning engagement, we use a provider that gives you email and phone numbers, and this provider is working on deliverability. And for each email, he will enrich it, or he will check the one you have already on your email and tell you that if there is any risk of deliverability. So we cannot, to answer your question, we cannot say there is someone puts you in spam, but we do our best and we do everything we can before you finish in spam.
Yep. And with this partnership, like Romain said, when we enrich an email address or a phone number, we have this deliverability status that we know. And if it's not highly reliable, then we will automatically exclude it from the campaign. You will have the ability to manually force it, but we won't do it in order to protect your account as much as we can. Okay, we also released the bulk phone numbers enrichment. So if you purchase full enrich phone credits inside your Humanlinker account, then as soon as you will inject a call task in your campaign, we will automatically enrich the phone number. And it will be automatically synchronized, of course, with your call task manager in order to better pursue the work of doing your cold call compared to a specific campaign. Sorry, I had a problem with my screen, but it's okay. It's okay now. No questions so far. New editor. So now, in order to structure even more your manual email template message, you have access to a rich text editor that will allow you to format and structure the better message with clear information in order to be more impactful. So you will be able to put some bold, italic, bullet points, number list, and you have also the possibility to put hyperlink, like your calendar, for example. So this is really great, and it's already working now on the manual email templates message. And in the last section in your campaign builder, preview and sending, as you know, you will be able to generate all the contact sequences on your different contacts in the campaign. And then when you are moving on a specific contact sequence, when you click on an email, you will be able to send to your own inbox a preview, a test preview of the message in order to validate it. So this is really great in order to preview the message before sending it.
There is a question of William concerning ClickUp.
Is
If you
there
want to
a
answer.
way to link Humanlinker to ClickUp? Yeah, we'll go. Yeah, it will be through our API. So yes, Wiem, it will be possible through the API when we will release it during the last quarter of the year. All right, perfect. Thanks. New features, setup, CRM, and API. So we'll go through a little bit more features. So now, when you connect your HubSpot or Salesforce CRM to your Humanlinker workspace, you can configure a specific option to auto add contacts to your CRM. So when you will launch a sequence on a contact, if the contact is not already in your CRM, you will be able to push it automatically in order to keep the tracking of the engagement history on this contact and to keep CRM really clean. So it's an automatic feature that will inject automatically the contact inside your CRM if it's not present when the sequence will be launched. Can we get? Yeah, you'll get it.
Yes, yeah, we'll get it. You will get it just after the end of the session.
So if you are on the, sorry, just before, if you are on the Pro plan, you have access to this in your settings section. In the integration part, on the CRM, you have configure more options. And if you are on a business plan, you just need to ask it to your account manager, and we'll do it for you right away.
I love this this feature because the time we saved is incredible on adding people in the CRM. It's also useful because when we are adding people from our campaigns to a CRM, it will also log in all the messages sent in from Humanlinker. So all the history of messages, if there is any call task done, etc., everything is logged into the CRM, and that's super useful, and it saves a lot of time. Imagine just if you are putting 500 people in the same campaigns, launching your campaigns, and have nothing to do to enrich your CRM because we'll do it for you. As you ask for the email or for the phone numbers also, email and phone numbers will be enriched and added to your CRM also. So that's very, very nice.
Advanced CRM integration. So we have even more of them, only on the business plan today. So if you have specific custom fields that you want Humanlinker to play with according to your prospecting game, then you can add them now. So you can add them in order to have a better view and visibility on your CRM accounts and CRM contacts in those tabs in the navigation menu. And you can play with it according to your sales strategy in order to assign new accounts between your members. And you will get also those custom fields information when you are importing CRM contacts in order to play on a specific criteria that is aligned with one of your campaign and sales strategy. And like Romain said just before, it will be really helpful because everything will be synchronized from Humanlinker to your CRM. So if you add a custom field, then this custom field will also be populated by Humanlinker according to the engaging sessions that your members will have on their workspace.
And for those who know that on Humanlinker, you will be able to get contact recommendation by not almost like Sales Navigator, but quite the same process. You can put filters and find new leads. On this contact recommendation, you'll be able to filter also when you are looking on CRM contact, you will be able also to put these filters. It means when you put this filter on your setup, you'll be able to search on your CRM and put also these filters into the search of the contact in the CRM.
Yep. So again, if you already have a business plan today, don't hesitate to reach out to us to get those custom fields integrated for you inside your Humanlinker workspace. And if some of you are hesitating with the business plan, Romain can say a little bit more about it, but it's starting at with a minimum of 5 licenses of user. And it's really great to collaborate with your sales team directly. We have also, like we said at the beginning of this webinar, the API of Humanlinker that is really coming soon now. And it will give you the ability to plug any tier tool with your Humanlinker account in order to get your contacts or your leads and to inject them seamlessly in one of your campaigns to engage with them. And you will be able to do much more actions with this API. And if you have any specific needs according to it, we will be happy that you share it with us when it will be released. And we will, of course, iterate and improve this API with you. And we also have a Slack integration that is coming really quickly that will let you synchronize inside one specific Slack channel all the action of your user inside the workspace. Not to be the police and to check what everything has been done, but just to have a great follow-up on every engagement actions that have been made from a user or from a prospect replying to one of your campaigns. Just to give you more live notification on what's going on inside your Humanlinker workspace. Gabriel asked a question. Some of us don't need the business plan. Is there something else coming in this webinar that is available for Pro2?
Everything, if you don't see the mention business plan only, everything is available in both plan. So here there is API available on both plan. Slack integration, it will be only business plan only. And you will see when we will send you the recording and the presentation, you will be able to see if there is no mention of anything, it means this is on the Pro plan too. As you can see, we are much more flexible and we want to be much more flexible concerning connection, concerning the other tools. Of course, now, as you know, we are a young startup. We try to develop very, very fast the solution. So that's why we focused on your HubSpot, Salesforce, and then Dynamics, because they are the biggest CRM now. But concerning other CRM, we have the ambition to develop also connectors for Pipedrive or for others. It will depend on the needs, of course, of our prospect. But this API will help you a lot already to share data directly into Humanlinker.
We almost went to the end of this webinar. So if you have any questions regarding those features or regarding the product, don't hesitate to put it in the chat. Would be awesome, guys.
Yeah, I know, Gabriel. I know a lot of people ask for Pipedrive. Most of them are on the Pro plan today. That's why we put it on the roadmap. It's already on the roadmap, but I cannot tell you. I will ask the head of product to answer this one, but I can't tell you when it will be done. I hope, and I will let Arthur confirm, I hope it will be okay at the end of the year. It could be in January, but in this time, it will be great to have it.
Yeah, even better. To be completely transparent and honest with you guys, it's planned on the last quarter of the year. So we'll let you know, but we know already how to do it. So yeah, it will come soon.
You asked Dave. You asked about Zapier. We don't use Zapier. We prefer to use Make. That was a decision we made. But no Zapier for the moment.
Yeah,
can you on the chat, guys? Just before, sorry, Arthur. Can you guys just on the chat just put the CRM you are working on? It would help us also to develop in the right time the good next integration.
Yeah, and to prioritize them. And the thing that you need to know, Dave, with the Zapier integration, as soon as we will release the API documentation, you will be able to create your own Zap with our API and the API of your tool that you want to plug to Humanlinker. That's the great thing with Zapier. So you will be able to build it yourself with your technical team, or if you are already technical to do it. But yeah, Zapier will come next after the release of the API. Spot, ClickUp, Pipedrive. Also.
Yeah, there is everything. There is HubSpot, ClickUp, Pipedrive,
Exactly.
ATO, Dynamics, but soon HubSpot. I'll be happy to know why you feel that Dynamics is useless. It's kind of CRM that are using by big corporation and could be a bit vintage, but oh yeah, you are working on Salesforce. I totally understand. I was working on Salesforce also, and now we are on HubSpot. Yeah. So that's the end of the webinar. We have few minutes more left. If you want to ask any more questions concerning the features, if you want, I can go back directly to the slide to see what is concerning the business plan only or also the Pro plan. So we just go back very fast. So this one is only business plan only. The Continental V2. Multi-email is for both plan. Call task only for business plan only, because Pro plan is much more for people that are taking on their own their plan, so they don't need to ask someone else to do the calls. The CSV import is for everyone. Same for the import in bulk on LinkedIn. Email only for business plan, and the blacklist feature is for everyone. New filter and campaign and enrich phone numbers in bulk for everyone, both. New editor and email sending test, same, Pro and business. And concerning the setup, this one will be for both Pro and business, which is the one I love the most because it's incredible the time we save. Advanced CRM integration, that's only business plan. and concerning the API and Slack integration, as we saw that the API will be for everyone, but the Slack integration would be only for business plan. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I saw that Gabriel is agreed with Maxime. Great. Yeah. Thank you, guys. We send you the recording. If you have any more questions, oh yeah, there is any more question from Gabriel. You have an agency and work for different clients. Yeah, right. Should I create totally different account for each client with one email address for each client, or should I use only one account with several users and sending email address? I will tell you to create different accounts, but we'll be able to put all these accounts in on one workspace, one tenant. It will give you the possibility to have one dashboard with all your clients.
Yeah, so it will be one account with several users' accounts.
Yes, Content Square is French, totally. Thank you, guys. So we'll send you the recording, the replay. Don't hesitate if you need to get a meeting with us, 20 minutes meeting or more. It will be a pleasure to do it and to answer your question based on your problematics, based on your pains. Yeah, you are shocked, Maxime. But yeah, it's totally French. We are proud to have it in the tech, in the French tech.
Yeah, and just to say, like for you, all those features are already live in your Humanlinker account. So if you have any questions, like Romain said, we are really flexible, and the product is becoming more and more flexible in order to scale your business and your prospecting game. And on the app, you have a click to chat. You have access to a click to chat in order to reach our support. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask directly to our support team, and with Romain, we'll be happy to answer it. And it will help us to nurture all the roadmap also. So don't hesitate to do it if you have feedback or anything else.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Didier. Thank you, Maxime. Thank you, Gabriel.
Thank you, everyone.
All of you. Thank you to be there, and hope to talk to you soon.
Yep. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Merci, Arthur.
Merci, Romain.
Thank you, Lee. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Christopher. Nice weekend also. That's great. This is almost a weekend.
Okay.
See you, guys.